Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to download Instagram Reels. First of all, open up your Instagram application on your iPhone. After that, tap on this video icon at the bottom. Next, tap on the three dots on the right side. Now, tap on the We Have Moved Things Around option to copy the link. After that, tap on the copy link icon. Now open up your Google. Then, tap on this upward arrow icon at the bottom. After that, long press on the search bar and paste the copied link. Once done, now tap on the download button below the search bar. Here, tap on the download video option, and then tap on the download button. Now this will download your Instagram video. Once it's downloaded, now tap on the video and play it. So this is how you can download Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.